How to implement AI in Salesforce for enhanced sales insights. By leveraging the power of AI in Salesforce, businesses can gain valuable insights into their sales data, improve the efficiency of their sales teams, and ultimately drive more revenue. Getting started, understanding the benefits of AI in Salesforce. AI can analyze vast amounts of data in real time, allowing sales teams to identify trends, predict customer behavior, and make more informed decisions. Step 1. Choose the right AI tools for Salesforce integration. There are a variety of AI tools available that can be integrated with Salesforce, including predictive analytics, machine learning, and natural language processing tools. When selecting AI tools for Salesforce integration, it's important to consider your specific business needs, goals, and budget. Step 2. Define your sales objectives and key performance indicators, KPIs. By clearly outlining your sales goals, you can ensure that the AI tools you implement in Salesforce are aligned with your business objectives. Some common sales KPIs that can be enhanced through AI include lead conversion rates, customer acquisition costs, and sales cycle length. Step 3. Implement AI in Salesforce and train your sales team. This may involve customizing AI algorithms to fit your specific business needs, integrating AI tools with Salesforce, and providing training to your sales team on how to leverage AI insights in their daily workflows. Step 4. Monitor performance and optimize AI strategies. The performance of your AI strategies and optimize them for maximum effectiveness. This may involve tracking key metrics, analyzing AI-generated insights, and making adjustments to your AI algorithms based on real-time data. Conclusion. Implementing AI in Salesforce for enhanced sales insights can provide your business with a competitive advantage in today's fast-paced business environment. With AI-powered insights, your sales team can make more informed decisions, personalize their sales efforts, and ultimately drive more revenue for your business.